Hi guys, I've got an advent calendar 24. So this was £12 on Amazon. So that's what I've got. Candy kittens. These are vegan actually. Vegan. So these are all the flavours you get. You get all sorts of different flavours. Wild strawberry, sour watermelon. You're getting loads. So, yes, let's open this. Hi guys, I've opened it now. I'm going to go for number one. I'm going to see what you get in there. So for number one, so you get, let me see, you get a barcode, which is good. So you get a pack of mess sweets. Wow. Let's go and open another one. Hi, so we're going to try number two. I thought to do this because everyone's looking for advent calendars right now. So this is water. No, this is shot strawberry. You get two in the pack. We're gonna so yeah, that's all I'm gonna open. I'm gonna open two. I don't know what to open. I'm just gonna open two. I wanna see what we think then. I do not need to open everyone. I do not want to spoil it for you all. I just want to tell you what it's got. This is strawberry. Yeah. Let me just taste it. That is pretty sour. The design of this is great. Ooh. Very sweet. Quite chewy as well. Let's try these. These are the mess ones. So that's what they look like. Let's see what you think of them. These are vegan sweets, which I just think is incredible. No nastiness. These are the only sweets brand that just good vegan sweets. So do I think it's worth the money? Not really. You're not getting this much sweets in it. But yeah, bye-bye.